Hi, my name is Adam Hyatt, and I'll be giving a quick demo of the What Would Portland Do capstone project. So the idea behind our capstone project was to create a simulacrum of different characters' experience in Portland. So you can see on our interface here, we have different Portland landmarks. We have Voodoo Donuts, we have the food carts, we have Nike over here, and a number of other Portland-themed locations. So we created all of this using artificial intelligence agents to guide the characters through a moment that they experience together. This is all done using the Hugging Face hosted inference API, where they have a variety of open source models available to use for free, as well as some premium models. So before I dive into the moment, let me show you around the interface. If we open up the side panel here, you see we have an interface viewer. If we toggle this will let you either view moments, which nothing's here yet since we haven't started one, or you can directly interact with one of the agents by clicking on them and typing in a message. Going back to the interface, we have a play moment where you can select a moment. We have some that are out of the box, and then you can also come to edit moment and create your own moment. In addition to creating your own moment, you can come into some of the out-of-box moments and update those yourself. Another really cool feature, given that we're using an API that has access to thousands of open source models, we've picked a few good ones and allow the user to change which model they'd like to use here. We found best results with the Mixtral model, and then we also have the Stability XL model for text-to-image generation. Last thing in the interface is the character cards. So you can come in here, you can read about the character, their specialty, their personality, and select which ones you'd like in the simulation. We'll just go with the default ones for the purpose of this demo. So let's start a moment. Let's come over to play moments and do keep Portland weird. So in this, they walk through actually, let me show you. Yeah, so in this moment, they're going on an adventure in Portland with their friends. They need to plan a trip in detail and consider Portland's eccentric character. And then at the end of the moment, which we'll show, it has them describe their favorite moments from the trip, given the context that they have just returned back from Portland. We can see here, these agents are attending the moments, and they are thinking about their trip. And these agents down here, they're not actually attending the moment, and they are at the Coffin Club, so their actions are denoted by a skull, and they're looking for something there. This agent, there's two overlapping here, but all the agents that aren't attending also have emojis representing what they're doing. Now that these two agents have finished their ideas, it gives emojis based off of their idea. So let's look into the moment. The primary agent, her initial idea, she starts by thinking off about what kind of accommodations she would choose, what activities she would plan, where would she eat. She likes local farm-to-table restaurants, which Portland is great for. And then the rest of the agents start planning it out as well. So one thing to notice is that the agents are given their personality and career when they're thinking about what to do in the moment. So as a strategic thinker, they're recommending doing a lot of research and comparing different boutique hotels in Portland to find one that aligns with their desired experience and budget. We also have a bit of image generation using the Stability XL model. Looks like they're generating an image of Portland. It's based off of this text here. And we have all the agents that are attending the discussion doing the same thing. And then at the end, based off of all of these inputs from all of the agent's friends, she comes up with a final idea. And they're talking about their favorite moments from the trip, just like we intended. So I'll let you pause through the recording to look through some of this output if you'd like. But that is the gist of the moment. And we also have a bit of a slideshow that they put together based off of the moment that they experienced together. So here in a moment, the agents will disperse and go about their activities, just like you see these agents down here doing activities that aren't related to the moment. But I'd like to show you one last feature. So you can directly talk to the model. So let's do what's the weirdest part about Portland. Give it a moment to respond. Great. So we ask Abigail, who is currently the primary agent, and they give a detailed response based off of their personality. It was a pretty interesting project to work on. One thing to keep in mind is that all these moments can be custom tailored using that interface, but also every user's moment is going to be different. Since we're using artificial intelligence models, which are non-deterministic, these responses are going to be different every single time. It also, given that limitation, or that also provides a limitation because we can't 100% control the output of the model. So users may get weird output sometimes, but overall the responses seem to be good, especially when using the Mixtral model. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and like our project. Thank you.